As the state's flagship institution, the University of Maryland is the academic research hub of the region and one of the premier universities in the world. Our success is enhanced by the success of our surrounding community.
Greater College Park is thriving because we have 3 areas all working in concert with one another. We have a dynamic campus, a vibrant community, and a public-private research hub.
Our community of over 50,000 students and faculty fuel our top-ranked programs in engineering, computer science, business, education, public policy, and the arts. New academic spaces like the Brendan Ereeb Center for Computer Science and Engineering, as well as the Edward St. John Learning and Teaching Center, enable our students to become the talent pipeline for our state and beyond. Capital investments will help continue to propel the University of Maryland to new heights. Several cross-disciplinary research and entrepreneurial collaboration spaces will open in the near future, including Cole Fieldhouse, the Idea Factory, and a new building for the School of Public Policy, providing students and faculty with the cutting-edge facilities in research, medicine, and experiential learning.
We chose College Park because it has everything you could hope for. Easy to get around, access to art and music, tons of great food options, plenty of housing, and of course, great coffee.
The greater College Park community has access to a wide variety of entertainment, restaurants, and recreation. Nearly every type of cuisine you could possibly want is centered on Baltimore Avenue. The university's Clarice Smith Center for the Performing Arts hosts a lively arts and music scene. As part of the Big Ten Conference, the university's exciting sports teams are a constant draw for students and fans in our community. And for those traveling to College Park, there are a variety of new hotels to host conferences, entertain guests, or to simply call home while visiting campus.
We continue to improve the Baltimore Avenue experience and create greater connectivity between the University of Maryland campus and greater College Park.
New bike lanes, crosswalks, and open spaces will continue to make downtown College Park a welcoming and pedestrian-friendly destination for our campus community. The addition of the Purple Line will enhance the community's convenient and affordable commuting options and provide students increased access to the region's career development opportunities.
The University of Maryland is a big player in quantum science and technology, so it's the perfect place for me to locate my startup company, IonQ, right here in College Park. And we tap into the students and other researchers in the University of Maryland as employees and also internships.
The Capital One Tech Incubator, the Adobe Research Lab, and countless government agencies are not only creating new innovations, but offering students and the community thousands of new jobs that drive Maryland's and the region's economy. The future of the University of Maryland is tied to the future of our surrounding community. We are one of the premier universities in the nation because we, along with our partners, have created a dynamic ecosystem of academics, research, and innovation. We've attracted businesses of all shapes and sizes, and our community is a place where people want to live, work, and play. Together, we continue to create a greater College Park.